Welcome to Hodoo AI's AutoTrainer tutorial. AutoTrainer is a deep learning software that automatically creates AI models for vision inspection. AutoTrainer broadly contains three procedures: dataset creation, model training, and model prediction. We first create a dataset, which we use to train an AI model. We then evaluate this model using test data. In this tutorial, we will explain each of these processes in their respective order. As an example, we will try to teach an AI model how to distinguish between a bird and a dog. Let's first create a dataset. Under Quick Start, click New Dataset to register a new dataset. Assign the dataset name and select the dataset task. Unlabeled refers to unlabeled data that should only be used for making predictions. Next, select the dataset. For classification, the data should be organized as shown. Files should be grouped by class in corresponding folders. We select the parent folder of this class folders as the dataset. The imported dataset is displayed. Click Next. We can see the number of images in each class. On the next page, we can see information related to the dataset's images. Click on Start Training to immediately train the AI model. Otherwise, click Save and Exit to save this dataset. Now that we have created a dataset, let's start training an AI model. Under Quick Start, click New Training to generate a new training project. Assign a project name along with a relevant task and dataset. On this page, we can set training options. On the left side, we can choose to automate the process of data optimization, model optimization, and hyperparameter optimization. If you have little or no experience in machine learning, we recommend turning on these three automated optimization processes. For those who are experienced in AI and would like to manually adjust the settings, the drop-down menus on the right side will provide access to customization of the data, model, and hyperparameters. Certain options become fixed when automation is turned on. If auto data optimization is turned on, the image width and height cannot be customized. Activating Auto Model Optimization fixes the model architecture to neural architecture search. When this is activated, the number of base layers can be adjusted. Finally, turning on Auto Hyperparameter Optimization fixes the optimizer and learning rate scheduler. Here is a summary of the training options. Click Run. In the training screen, we can check the training progress. During neural architecture search, the current best model architecture is shown under NAS Geno. Training details can be found in the training log located at the bottom. Training, validation, and best accuracies are displayed on the graph towards the lower right of the screen. We will now speed up the training process to finish training the AI model. Notice the evolution of the model architecture as NAS searches for a more optimized AI model. We have now finished training an AI model. Having completed the training process, the model can now be tested. First, create a test dataset to evaluate our model, using the same method as we mentioned earlier. It is good practice to use a different dataset for prediction to the one that was used for training. Under Quick Start, click New Predict to create a new project for prediction. Assign a suitable name and the appropriate task. Select the test dataset via Select Dataset and the trained AI model via Select Training Project. The test dataset can be reviewed under Datasets Information. Click Run. Upon completing prediction, the results of the prediction can be seen, including the overall accuracy, the class-wise metrics such as precision, recall, and F1 score. At the bottom, under each class, images predicted as that category can be seen, along with a heat map that shows which areas within the image the AI model most heavily based its decision upon. In this picture, the front legs of the dog appear to have influenced the model the most. In this tutorial, we explored how to use AutoTrainer to train an AI model for vision inspection tasks. We looked at how to upload an image dataset, how to train an AI model based on image data, and how to test the trained model on new data. For more information, we recommend reading our AutoTrainer manual, where we go into greater depth on each of the concepts. Thank you.